At Corroserve, we always try to deliver innovation. Our water jetting is a bespoke service which can be used throughout industrial applications. A portable unit can be deployed direct to your site. Once there, our trained and certified team, consisting of 3 operators, will set to work. The jet operator wears full safety gear, including penetration-resistant footwear, armoured layers and a full face shield. There are 4 pressure levels used, from low-pressure water cleaning to ultra-high pressure water jetting. Corroserve mainly uses high-pressure and ultra-high-pressure water jetting for industrial applications. Our jet washing service is a great way to clean tanks, loading bays, gulleys and pipes. As opposed to abrasive blasting, there's no dust, which reduces environmental impact. Plus, by collecting and filtering the water, we remove surface contaminants and provide a reduction in solid waste. Water jetting is an efficient way to clean all kinds of industrial items and for surface preparation prior to coating. It's just one of the services we offer at Corroserve, engineering longevity.